Café small talk.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
Hey, the usual today? Hey, the usual today?
Yes, please, you know me too well. Yes, please, you know me too well.
1-oat latte, coming up. 1-oat latte, coming up.
You're the best. You're the best. Is the Wi-Fi free here? Is the Wi-Fi free here?
It is. The password's on the receipt. It is. The password's on the receipt.
Oh, perfect. Thanks. Oh, perfect. Thanks.
No problem at all. No problem at all.
Are there any seats by the window? Are there any seats by the window?
There's one open in the corner. There's one open in the corner.
That works for me. That works for me.
Go ahead and grab it. Go ahead and grab it. Crazy weather today, huh? Crazy weather today, huh?
I know it won't stop raining. I know it won't stop raining.
At least it's warm inside. At least it's warm inside.
That's true. That's true.
How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, just busy. How about you? Pretty good, just busy. How about you?
Can't complain. Can't complain.
Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. Thanks again. See you tomorrow. Thanks again. See you tomorrow.
Sounds good. Take care. Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Have a good one. You too. Have a good one.
Bye now. Bye now.
The usual today? You're the best. Is the Wi-Fi free here? The password's on the receipt. Are there any seats by the window? That works for me. Crazy weather today, huh? At least it's warm inside. How's your day going so far? Can't complain. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one.